In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fonts to your Hubspot website, incorporating them seamlessly into your template and modules. So if you're ready to enhance your digital presence and align it with your brand's unique style, let's dive in. First off, to set the stage for today's task, make sure you log into your Hubspot account. It's crucial to have all your tools and resources at your fingertips, ensuring a smooth and uninterrupted experience. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the trial guide. This section is fundamental as it houses an array of resources that will be instrumental in kickstarting your form-building process. Think of it as your launchpad, where you can explore various elements and get inspired as you move forward with your customizations. Now, let's head over to your homepage. This is where all the magic starts and where you'll begin crafting the look and feel of your website. On the homepage, you need to locate and click on Contents. This will lead you to an essential section where you can manage various components of your site. After clicking on Contents, you should then click on Website Pages. This section is pivotal as it provides an overview of all the pages under your domain, offering an easy pathway to edit and adjust them to your heart's content. Once inside the Website Pages area, scroll down until you locate the Home option. This is where you can preview and adapt the design to better reflect your brand's identity. By managing and optimizing your homepage, you're essentially creating the first impression users will have when they visit your site. As you look at the left side of your screen, you'll see the option to add a new element. Click this to open up a world of possibilities for your website. You can infuse it with elements that showcase your brand's personality, doing so in a way that's both captivating and professional. Within the Modules section, you'll find a variety of customizable options that you can tailor to meet your brand's message. Take your time to browse through and select the perfect module that resonates with your objectives. It's vital to ensure that every choice you make aligns with your brand's ethos and communication style. After you've poured your creativity into customizing everything and ensuring it fits perfectly with what your brand stands for, take a moment to review your changes. Once you're completely satisfied and everything looks just right, it's time to click Publish. Doing so will set your creations live, allowing your audience to experience your newly enhanced web presence in all its glory. And there you have it. Your personalized Hubspot experience is now up and running, complete with new fonts and modules that mirror your brand's unique voice and vision.